Okay, so you are a business owner or an entrepreneur and you know you should be doing content marketing, short form videos on a platform like TikTok, but you haven't started for whatever reason. I want to use this video to give you a short, swift kick up the arse in order to help you kind of just get started. I'm going to first appeal to your business sense. So yesterday, Tuesday, I made £1,250 or about $1,500 just by being on TikTok. So this broke down to, what was it, £600 for a workshop, £400 for a large company who wanted to ask me questions for 1 hour, and £250 for some one-on-one coaching with a mentee. So that all came from TikTok. That didn't come from LinkedIn, that didn't come from paid adverts. It just came from people reaching out on TikTok and saying, hey, we like what you do, can you help us with this? Very simple. I've been on TikTok for 6 weeks. I had my first viral video, my first and only viral video, quite early on with about 3 million views. And since then I've been plugging away, getting a couple of thousand views every single day. I aim for 10,000 views a day. Sometimes get it, sometimes don't. Doesn't really matter. But the consistency is allowing me to get better and just being on video and trying to provide as much value as possible. And that's all I am doing, and that's all you need to do as a business owner, is you need to go on video and you need to talk about your niche. You need to answer the problems that people are having, your potential customers. You need to get in front of the camera and just answer those questions as if they were sitting with you having a coffee. That's kind of it. That's all I'm doing, and that has allowed me to just yesterday generate $1,500, and that's on top of my normal business that is running in the background and being driven by social media channels like TikTok. So I'm hoping that this is going to appeal to the entrepreneurs out there, to the business owners who are sitting on their hands and thinking, I should do this, but I don't really know how to, I don't really want to. There's a lot of cash being left on the table for you and your business if you do not use social media to become known and become seen as an expert in your particular niche. I do a lot of videos about how you can do that. I am also producing a course. It is not yet ready, but it's going to be about how to start to leverage the creator space in order to drive your larger business, how to monetize content marketing like this. And again, it's all for business owners and entrepreneurs who are not necessarily extroverted. They're not necessarily going to be doing dances on TikTok or anything like that, but instead are just going to talk about their expertise and use that to build up their reputation and become known in their particular area and to drive their business with that, which is really what you as a business owner need to be doing. We're not doing social media for vanity. We're not doing social media just for the numbers. We are doing it so we can drive our business. So I am putting together a course about that at the moment. Not yet done, so I'm not trying to sell you anything. You can also join my free newsletter, so the link is in the bio. That is a newsletter where I talk about the applications of AI and why it's important for entrepreneurship. I will be dropping details about the course, which will be teaching you how to do content marketing in that newsletter. So if you do want an update, that's going to be the best way to go. Anyway, so hopefully that has lit a bit of a fire, kicked you a little bit, and you're thinking, okay, this is worth doing. I can make a few thousand extra dollars per day if I can just pull out the camera and record some videos like this. This is going to be useful for my video. So make sure you're following me, make sure you like this video, check out the other things I have and sign up for the newsletter, and I'll hopefully be educating you more in how you can do this for your business.